In this step-by-step tutorial, I will show you how you can verify your ownership for a custom domain on Google Sites. So as you'll notice on screen, I'm trying to connect my custom domain and it's asking me to verify my ownership. So once you enter in the domain, you want to click on verify your ownership. That will then redirect you to this page. You want to make sure that this is correct and then click on continue. And then once we click on continue, it will then ask you to enter in a DNS record on your custom domain host website. Now I'm with Namecheap, but this works on any host website. Now what we need to do is we need to copy this URL right here. So we'll copy this. Once we head over to Namecheap, I want to go to account, select dashboard. And then from here, I want to select manage. And then I'm going to select advanced DNS. Now, once we click on this, and once you are on this page on whatever website that you use, you want to go down to here, click on add a new record, and then you want to scroll down and then select TXT record. And then from here, you can leave the host blank if you're Now from here, you can leave the host blank. If it won't let you leave it blank, you want to put in an @, and then you want to paste that URL into this box. Once we do this, we then want to click on the tick icon to save changes. And then once we have done this, it might take a couple of hours. So if we go back over to here, as you'll notice, what it does say is DNS changes may take some time to apply. So if this doesn't happen instantly, you just want to wait a couple of hours for it to fully verify and things like that. And then what you want to do then is just simply click on verify. As I said before, it might not work straight away. So what you need to do if it doesn't work straight away is just wait a couple of hours and then it should work. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can go ahead and verify a custom domain. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video and I will see you in the next one.